see if this works. I turned off the beeps, and then I turned it back on. Greetings, happy Tuesday, one and all. It's a bit windy today, so I'm going to take her down to this LZ for a takeoff. Lovely day, 75 now. I waited till the temps popped up just a tad. Not a drone, what? Okay, arm it, let's go. Armed with the switch instead of the sticks. Yeah, okay. Bouncing, but coming up slowly. Oh, here. Wow, bang. We got a lot of wind today. Double digits predicted again today. So it might be time for another sail. Yesterday was very fun. Kind of took my mind off of the traffic situations of late. Yeah, it's this has been the worst feedback in terms of You Bad Boy I've received on a dash cam video, and it's kind of strange to me. Whoa. Yeah, this is really good. It's coming down the road. But, whatever, you know. I guess that's why I posted it, to kind of get some feedback. And if you don't like the feedback, don't post it, right? It's not that I don't like it, I'm disappointed by it. Probably should not be surprised. Work. But that's what it is. YouTube isn't something that I monetize. It's not something woo, we got a bug. Nice. Damn, that was a big one. What was that? June bug? In September? You're late, but not too late. Oh, another one. Wow, I'm on frequency here. Let's get in close and see if we see it. That's sun, you. Where's that little buzzard? Look at that. The Emerald City adjacent. So guys, I appreciate all of you who hung out and suffered through my nonsense. And, I do appreciate the feedback, though. Like I say, I'm kind of surprised by how different people's perspectives are on it. And this goes to show there is no substitute for having been there and experienced the emotions of the moment instead of a clinical cold look at it after the fact. One of the problems that I see is that a lot of people seem to think that a turn signal means you get to come in. It's time. Move out of my way. These are the people who learn to drive on a tractor, I guess. I don't know. I had driver's ed in school when I grew up. The basic rules really haven't changed all that much. Population's a lot thicker than it used to be, but the problem is the heads of the population are a lot thicker than they used to be too, I think. It's kind of a me thing. Okay, I've been ignoring the signs that this lane is going to end for almost 2 miles, and I travel this road regularly, so I don't even need to have a sign to know that this lane is ending. But I'm going to wait till the last possible second, create an emergency, and then cut in front of somebody who's already following at a safe distance at a higher speed. And I will speed up to accomplish this, and then I will slow back down to the speed that I was traveling. And if that guy doesn't back off really quick, I'm going to tap the brakes. Because I need to teach him a lesson. Okay, lesson learned. courtesy. American exceptionalism. There it is. Wow, that's a blast. Whoa. Ride it, girl. All right. Well, yeah. Yeah, let's shuffle on back to Buffalo here. What did I expect, right? Rubber biscuits. Oh, I'm going to report you to the local sheriff. Well, okay. Last I checked, the local sheriff kind of frowns on brake checks and illegal lane changes. We'd probably both get in hot water. Go for it. Two wrongs don't make a right. Yeah, that's true. It's an instinctive thing, fight or flight. In a moment of panic, the lizard brain takes over. That's my lizard brain in action. Oh well. Opinions.
Disarmed. Off.
It's been that kind of week. It's a good thing we have RC toys.